Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to like a story on the Instagram. So if you want to like stories of your friend on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, here you will see all of your friends who posted their stories. So open any friend story. So I just open it. Now you will see send message option, so you have to click on it and here you will see different quick reaction emoji. So you have to tap on anyone and you will see story was liked in this way. So this is the procedure to like a story on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank